Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable delete after sharing from toolbar function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn it on. Of course, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for advanced features here, and here we have screenshot and screen recorder menu. And here it is. In the screenshot section, we have our option, delete after sharing from toolbar. So to turn it on, we simply check this box and that's it. We can now back out to our home screen. No need to save. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.